Okay, Cuda fans, you'll hear the Dodge Thrill Ride in the background. So, what you're looking at is a 1970 B5 Blue Cuda convertible, automatic with air, one of 234. And this thing is drop dead beautiful. Let's take a look at the 70 Plymouth Cuda convertible, one of 34 produced. Build sheet, U code, single 4-barrel, 45,000 miles on it. One of 13 known 440 convertibles with an automatic transmission and factory air listed in the Chrysler registry. And it is one of 34 total manufactured. Matching numbers, everything. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. And think about it. When, you know, I think there were more Hemis made than this. There we go. Beautiful condition, black bucket seat, center console. The driver that took it through the line said it went for 220, but I need to verify that. But that's what was told to me, that this one clocked in at 220 plus fees. But just imagine some lucky owner drove this off the showroom floor in 1970 and had themselves a big block 440 convertible with air. You know, it doesn't get much better than that. And you might think, well, wow, I'd rather have a Hemi. I don't know. It's debatable. But one thing is, there was only 34 of these made. There were more Hemis made than these cars. And the 440 was such a simple, easy engine to take care of. Now, if you were a mechanic, sure, get the Hemi. But a 440 is put the key in, plug and play, and go. But wow, what a car. And this is testament to the Chrysler design and what they were doing back then. And this was not a cheap car, by no means. Very expensive. Because if you look at all the thousands of Cudas that were made in 1970, 34 people had the money to buy one of these with a rag top. So there you have it, folks. Beautiful. One of 34 B5 Blue 440 Cudas with air and completely numbers match with build sheet. It doesn't get much better than that. Gauze Garage, Mecum Auctions, 2024. Thank you for looking.